This is the tactical flashlight laser combo. Let's take a look. Got your mounting brackets. You do have a couple options here. Charging cable. So this cable is a little different, so you do not want to lose this. Different charging cable here. There's your charging port. Flashlight. Adjustment on here. Like, this thing actually is super bright. Like, even in the daylight with the glare there, super, super bright. And of course the flashlight, very, very bright as well. I mean, it's extremely bright. So you guys can see down here. And look at that, it lights up. Super, super bright, guys. So you got the flashlight and the laser. Now, on camera, you can't see the laser light. It's really hard to see it. It's in the center of the flash. But in person, you can. So you can see it there, it's on. But in person, you can see the laser light. You got rapid flash setting. So that just rapidly flashes. Again, multiple settings, and you just turn the knob right on here. Everything works great.